Look, it did the test on this one, 97%. So if you're struggling with getting your GoHighLevel Voice AI or Chat AI, that's gonna make your bots perform better. So make sure you watch to the end of the video, because then I'm also gonna show you how to turn this thing on and actually use it actively so you can fix the bots that you've already made and make sure that you're optimizing that prompt to make it as effective as humanly possible. All right, so let's jump right to it. All right, so the first thing you got to do, it's still a lab feature, so you have to actually have an agency account to go into labs, or you're going to contact the person who's running your white label HighLevel in order for them to turn this feature on. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the left-hand side in your settings in your agency, and you're going to go all the way down to labs. Once you're in labs, you're going to go to the sub account. In the sub account, you're going to look for a prompt optimizer. This is the prompt optimizer for conversations AI. So you're going to turn this on, and we're going to basically enable it for all, enable access, enable visibility, and we're going to enable access, and we're going to go ahead and save. That's for the conversations AI. The second one we're going to do is we're going to come all the way down, and there's one for the prompt optimizer and voice AI. So you're going to activate this feature, select all, come in here, enable visibility. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into an account, and we're going to actually go to a live agent, and then we're going to test it. All right, now that we're in our account, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to our AI agents. Inside of our AI agents, let's go to our voice AI first. Inside of our voice AI, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our agent lists. And here we go. We have a particular bot right here, and we're going to go to edit, right? So I clicked on the three little dots. I went to edit. And then in here, you're going to notice that we now have this prompt optimizer. When we click on the prompt optimizer, what it's going to do is we're going to generate some scenarios for it to test, or we could create our own scenarios, like meaning situations or questions that the customer would ask. And then what it's going to do, it's going to evaluate and test everything that we've put together as far as those scenarios to see if it gets the actual, knowledge and everything else that it needs in order to provide better service. All right. So, hey, I'm just getting started with HighLevel and I'm looking for free resources. Where can I get them? These are going to be all the different things. And again, this is all based on analyzing the prompt and ensuring that it's doing what it needs to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here on the right-hand side and I'm going to run calls. Now, remember, this is going to charge you for the calls and for the actual voice AI usage if you're on the pay-per-go plan. If you're on the AI unlimited plan, you're going to run the calls. It will charge you for the voice, but it's not going to charge you for the AI usage. But again, it's 5 calls. Should be pretty good. All right, so I'm going to run those 5 calls and it's going to test the connection, continue to 5 calls. And it's going to randomly start calling and engaging with the customer and going from there, right? So we're going to let that thing go. All right, so check this out. You can listen to the actual call.
Hey, you have reached Automated Marketer. How can I help you today?
I'm just getting started with GoHighLevel and I'm looking for free resources to learn. Can you send me the links?
Now, before we go into it, here's a cool thing. Here's a test and pass of the things that it didn't do. And what's great is you saw voice AI using AI voice to basically test itself, which I think is pretty cool. Then you come in here and you go to Improvise, which again, run a single AI guided optimization and automatically run multiple optimization variations back to back until the target actually is reached. Now, if you do this, again, there is a little bit of a cost to it, but you can run either or. So I'm going to go ahead and just use the auto, and I just want this to basically get it all done. Now, while it's doing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the tab and I'm going to do the same thing for the chat AI. All right, I'm going to go over to my AI agents. Inside AI agents, I'm going to now click on conversational AI. I'm going to go to my agent list and I'm just going to pick my general support bot here. And then inside of here, I'm going to go to bot training and bot goals actually. And in bot goals, there you go again, we have the prompt optimizer skill. Now, again, same thing, generate scenarios. And inside of here, we would go ahead and run the same exact thing where it's going to run multiple chat, pretty much everything that you saw before. And then once it runs the chats, it's going to give me the ability of optimizing the prompt to get better results. Now, let's just kind of go back over here and look, analyze 4 failed calls, identified 16 issues. So let's just kind of hang around and we're going to let this test completely run and self-evaluate. Then we're going to come back and we're going to see what the final result is. So while we're waiting for these bots to kind of finish, the one thing I wanted to do is make sure that you're joining my free community and you're posting questions on things that you don't understand or you need help with. So if you haven't joined the free community yet, make sure you click on the link below and join us inside. In the meantime, let's see how it's doing. Now, it's already started doing a variation variation. Notice how now all the calls are passing. And look, variation 1, it's doing all this and it's reasoning and it's getting more passes going through based on the different services that it's asked. It went from failing 3 to 4 times to now going directly to passing 6 or 7, which is absolutely amazing. Now, if I go over here, here's the script acceptance and everything else. We're going to run the 5 chats and we're going to hit continue to run 5 chats. And we're going to go through it and we're going to see how it does. But again, here we are. The appointment requests are happening. The pricing plan, everything is happening in that space. We're going to let that one run for Chat AI and see what's happening. Now, how cool is this? Imagine your bot is failing or you think it's doing a great job, but honestly, it's probably failing more times than not. And if you're doing this for clients, what a great way to kind of finalize to ensure that you're shipping a great product prior to getting it out to the client. So again, super useful here. Again, we're going to wait a little bit longer to ensure that this thing is good. And then we're going to go ahead and show you the finalized results. Look, it did the test on this one, 97%. So I'm going to go ahead and use this prompt and it will automatically update. It cost me about like $3.70 altogether. At least that's the estimated amount. And it did the same thing. Now on this one, same thing. We ran through a bunch of tests and eventually we got to a 98% on the chat. I used that particular prompt and it cost me about, I think, close to a little bit less than $1. So again, really good things. If you're doing this for your clients, if you're shipping it, this is how you fix your GoHighLevel AI chatbot or voice AI bot, because this is exactly the way you want to do it. And this is the testing that I would normally do with employees, but instead now you can do it directly in there. Now, if you're not using HighLevel and you haven't bought it yet, join under my affiliate link because then you get access to VIP. Our VIP members, that's more of a paid service. That's $47 a month. They get access to calls that I'm basically on there talking one-on-one with individuals. And it's a group call where everybody gets a chance to answer questions. We run those calls all the time and I'm the one usually on those calls, right? And on top of it, we have even further resources to kind of help out. Affiliates get access to everything. For other individuals that are already under somebody else's affiliate and you want better support, come in here and you get, for the $47 a month, you get access to not only more enhanced courses, workshops, but you also get access to the calls. And if you join the 97, you can basically get access to everything that I throw out there, including coupons to other programs and so forth that I run. So if it's something that you're interested in and you need support, join the free community down there below and we'll see you inside. And if you want me to make content like this all the time, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And more importantly, save this as one of your favorites and hit that notification bells. And we'll see you on the next video.